starting to rain. Gotta get camp set up pretty quick. Alright, tent's done.
Well, we made it to camp. Just in time, the rain just started in. I think everybody's set up.
Just wrapping up fly fishing for today.
Did you see that fish jump behind you?
Oh, damn! Damn! Alright.
Sorry.
He's gonna go get
I gotta get it. I gotta get it. Turn that around, Scott. Big fish.
lost him.
I lost him. Well, they're probably out of that little hole now. Worth the shot though, you saw it. You saw it. Well, let's head back to camp, have some dinner, do some relaxing, get ready for the rain. We will slay them tomorrow.
Alright, today I'm going to keep it pretty basic. I got shrimp, got Caesar salad kit, fry up the shrimp, mix in the salad.
Whew, that's good.
just gonna get things kind of organized, do some dishes, and chill out. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow.
Morning. Time to do a little fishing. Got probably 3 to 4 miles of river to hike upstream, cover and move, and we tried last night. Caught actually quite a few, so pretty optimistic for today. The fog here should burn off, and should be a great day of fishing.
Good afternoon, I'm Antonia Chavez. This is a Watch Special Report.
Afternoon. It's about 3 o'clock. I just got back fishing. Caught probably 30 cutthroat today, a couple 10, 11 inchers today, and the big guy, and the rest were all.
All we saw was it was cool, man.
Yeah.
Very cool. I gotta sit and relax.
Tell me about your first fish you caught.
Oh man,
It was awesome. You know, kind of freaked a little bit, but then brought the fish to a little bit of a shallow pool and settled down, figured out what to do. There's a little bit of tension and I was worried about pulling too hard and ripping his face off or something, I would imagine. I don't know what happens. Yeah, like I said, we calmed down together and it was sweet. It was really pretty great. And the thing took off, so I feel pretty good about the whole situation. Healthy fish and all that.
What's up? We're gonna move camp up here. Nick and Misha found another spot. It's kind of more secluded down, some more trees around and different scenery, so that's where we're going. What's up? Well, it's dinner time. All right, let's take a peek at that salmon. Oh, it's perfect. We are ready to eat. There we go. We got some rice and vegetables and salmon. Ooh, look at that. Perfect. Hey, what's up? It's 7:30. Just taking some photos, hanging out, packing up, and we're gonna head home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.